We just made it to Iowa. We're gassing up. Oh, it doesn't say it. I'll show you. We are at the world's largest truck stop. They have a dentist, chiropractor, and a barber. This is crazy. Yes, the world's largest truck stop. This is located in western Iowa, just a few miles from the border. It's located off of I-80. As we came in, we couldn't believe how big the place was. They've got classic cars all through the place. As we came in here, we noticed they had a food court. It has multiple restaurants. They also have a massive store. We decided to make a penny collectible. Pretty cute. Look at the size of the beef jerky you can get. It's almost the size of my daughter. As I said, there's many classic vehicles throughout the place. If you had time, you could spend, I would say, a couple hours at this place. Right before we left, I went to the second floor. And up here, yes, there's a chiropractor's office. And actually a movie theater. You have to book ahead of time to watch a movie. They have a full laundromat. And also a barber. Guy was getting his haircut. We were so glad we stopped and checked this place out. It was amazing.